Kenya is known across the world as a land of champions, a country where running is more than sport. It is a culture, a livelihood, and a symbol of hope. Beyond international stadiums and global marathons, community-based sporting events play a powerful role in shaping society. One such event is the Barngetuny Mountain Run. Set in the scenic highlands of Kenya, this race is not just about competition or speed. It is about unity, peace, youth empowerment, and tourism development. In this video, we explore the importance of the Barngetuny Mountain Run in promoting sports for peace and tourism in Kenya, and why local sporting events matter for national development. The Barngetuny Mountain Run is a long-distance endurance race held in the Barngetuny region, an area known for its natural beauty, high altitude, and strong culture. The event attracts local athletes, upcoming young runners, community members, and visitors from different parts of Kenya and beyond. The race terrain is challenging, winding through the hills, forest, and rural landscapes, offering both physical challenge and breathtaking views. More than a race, the Barngetuny Mountain Run is a community celebration that brings people together around a shared purpose. More than a race, the Barngetuny Mountain Run is a community celebration that brings people together around a shared purpose. Sport has a unique power to unite people. It crosses boundaries of ethnicity, religion, politics, and even social class. During the Barngetuny Mountain Run, all participants compete under the same rules with the same goal to finish the race. In this shared experience, differences are forgotten, mutual respect is built, and peaceful interaction is encouraged. Sport teaches discipline, fairness, teamwork, and respect, values that are essential for peaceful coexistence in society. The race demonstrates how sport can be used as a neutral and powerful platform for peace building in Kenya. The Barngetuny Mountain Run demonstrates how sports can be used as a neutral and powerful platform for peace building in Kenya. Young people are at the heart of the Barngetuny Mountain Run. For many youths, the event offers purpose, positive role models, and a constructive path for their energy and talent. Running keeps young people engaged, disciplined, and focused on personal growth. By providing opportunities through sport, the race helps to reduce idleness, crime, drug abuse, and social unrest. When people are empowered through sport, they become ambassadors of peace within their communities. This is the importance of it. Let it sink that when people are empowered through sport, they become ambassadors of peace within their communities. When young people are empowered through their talents, through their desires, their interests, through their dreams and visions, they become ambassadors of peace within their communities. The success of the Barngetuny Mountain Run depends on community involvement. Local residents, elders, leaders, and volunteers come together to plan, support, and host the event. This collective effort strengthens trust and cooperation among community members. When people work together toward a shared goal, social bonds are strengthened and conflicts are reduced. The race becomes a symbol of unity, pride, and coexistence. The Barngetuny Mountain Run plays a growing role in sports tourism. The Barngetuny Mountain Run plays a growing role in sports tourism. Sports tourism involves people traveling to participate or watch sporting events. Sports tourism involves people traveling to participate in or watch sports events. The race showcases scenic mountain landscapes, fresh natural environments, local culture and hospitality. Visitors attending the race explore nearby attractions, interact with local communities, and experience authentic rural life. This exposure positions the Barngetuny region and Kenya as a whole as a destination for adventure and endurance sports. The Barngetuny Mountain Run generates economic benefits for the local community, which includes small businesses benefit from increased activity. Vendors sell food and crafts. Transport and accommodation services are used. These economic opportunities improve livelihoods and reduce poverty, a key factor in maintaining peace. These economic opportunities improve livelihoods and reduce poverty, a key factor in maintaining peace. When communities benefit from peaceful sporting events, they become committed to stability and cooperation. Despite its success, the Barngetuny Mountain Run faces challenges which include limited funding, infrastructure needs, and limited international exposure. With support from the government, sponsors, and tourism stakeholders, and even peace stakeholders like the Vijana Bila Ukabila Peace Initiative, the race has the potential to grow into a major international sporting event. Sustainable planning, inclusivity, and community ownership will be key to its future success. The Barngetuny Mountain Run is more than a sporting event. The Barngetuny Mountain Run is more than a sporting event. It is a platform for peace, a source of hope for the youth, and a tool for promoting tourism and development in Kenya. Through sports, communities unite. Through unity, peace is strengthened. And through peace, tourism and prosperity grow. As Kenya continues to shine on the global sporting stage, events like the Barngetuny Mountain Run reminds us that the greatest victory is not winning a race, but building a peaceful and united society together. As Kenya continues to shine on the global sporting stage, events like the Barngetuny Mountain Run reminds us that the greatest victory is not winning a race, but building a peaceful and united society together. The Magical Kenya Trail Series Tours continues across Kenya. Tembea Kenya, ujione na ujienjoy. Peace for tourism promotion and economic development. Travel the world with me, your boy Stevie God. Peace.